Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Volvo XC90. The Volvo XC90 continues to evolve as a flagship luxury SUV, offering a blend of Scandinavian elegance, modern technology, and eco-conscious engineering. For the 2026 model year, Volvo introduces several key updates, ensuring the XC90 remains a top contender in the premium SUV market. Volvo has refined several aspects of the XC90 for 2026. However, some early 2025 models won't include these updates, which are expected to arrive in showrooms in the first quarter of 2025. Revised front-end styling. Subtle tweaks to the exterior enhance the XC90's sophisticated appearance. Redesigned dashboard. A modernized interior design for improved aesthetics and functionality. Enhanced interior materials. Upgraded materials deliver a more luxurious feel. Improved cabin quietness. Advanced sound deadening materials ensure a serene driving experience. Suspension upgrades. Fine-tuned suspension provides a smoother and more comfortable ride. 11.2-inch infotainment display. A larger, more intuitive touchscreen enhances the in-car tech experience. Volvo has renamed the top-tier T8 powertrain, now referred to as PHEV, signaling its eco-friendly focus. The XC90's interior is a masterpiece of restraint, featuring an attractive design and high-quality materials that together create a warm ambience. The updated model features upgraded materials, a redesigned dashboard, a revised center console, and new textile upholstery options. All models are offered with either a 5, 6, or 7-seat layout. Adults won't be happy in the third row, however, especially if the journey is long. The XC90's wide, boxy silhouette helps in the cargo hauling department, but interior storage compartments aren't as cavernous as in some competitors. The B5 and B6 powertrains receive help from a 48-volt electric motor. B5 models feature a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine good for 247 horsepower. Moving up to the B6 powertrain increases output to 295 horsepower. The 455 horsepower plug-in hybrid T8 powertrain boosts the XC90 into the quick class of SUVs. All-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission come with every XC90, no matter the trim level or powertrain. The price of the 2026 Volvo XC90 is expected to start around $58,695 and go up to $81,000 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.